beam is a member predominantly subject to bending. A beam is a structural member which is subject to transverse loads, and accordingly must be designed to withstand shear and moment. Generally, beam will be bent about its major axis. In the design, based on standard, there are two types of restraining condition of a beam, which are restrained beam and unrestrained beam. Restrained beam is mechanically fixed to the rest of the structure. Meanwhile, an unrestrained beam is without the full mechanical fixing between the beam and the slab. First, let us go through for restrained beam. A restrained beam is a beam where the compression flange is restrained against lateral deflection and rotation. In a restrained beam there is only vertical deflection exists when subjected to load. The restrained beam can be categorized into two. First, full lateral restrained beam. And second is lateral restrained beam. Even though it looks almost similar, but there are few differences between full lateral restrained beam and lateral restrained beam. A full lateral restraint may be provided by concrete floor which sufficiently connected to the beam, or by sufficient members added. A lateral restraint may be along the span or at some points along the span. Points A, B, C and D are restrained from the form laterally by the secondary beams and the connection at column.
Next, let's us go through unrestrained beam. In unrestrained beam, the compression flange is not restrained from deflect laterally and rotate about the plan of the section, which is called lateral torsional buckling. There are three components of displacement. First, vertical displacement. Second, horizontal displacement. And third, torsional displacement.